Hello. You know, if you're here, chances are you're on a journey to find the absolute best care for your child. A journey that's all about their health, their comfort, and doing it all in the one place they feel safest, right at home.
So you're probably asking yourself, how do I do this? Right? How do you handle all the complex medical stuff, but also make sure your child just gets to be a kid in a loving, stable home? It's that constant juggle, isn't it? That balance between being a parent and being a caregiver.
Well, here's the good news. You absolutely do not have to figure this out on your own. That's why we're here. Focus Family Care is ready to be your partner on this journey. And look, if you need to talk to someone right now, just call us. The number is 561-693-1311. Or you can find out more at focusfamilycare.com.
All right, so let's get into it. When we say pediatric home care, what does that actually mean for your family day-to-day?
Okay, so think of it this way. It's about bringing that expert, high-level medical care you'd get in a hospital right into your living room. And it's so much more than just being convenient. It's about giving your child a sense of normalcy, a feeling of safety that is just so vital for their well-being. And this is a big one. It means fewer of those really stressful hospital stays.
And this isn't just a short-term thing. We're talking about support that grows with your child. Here at Focus Family Care, we're with you from the very beginning, from infancy all the way up to age 18. We adapt our care as your child's needs change over the years.
So, what kind of support are we really talking about? Well, it's a whole range of services. Because let's be honest, every child is different. Every family situation is unique. So the care has to be too. It's got to be completely tailored to you. Our team is trained to handle some really complex medical situations. Things like managing a ventilator to help your child breathe safely, or providing specialized tracheostomy care. We do all of that, and we do it right in your home. We also provide that same level of expert, dedicated support for children with conditions like cerebral palsy or muscular dystrophy.
But it's not just about the medical side of things. Not at all. We also bring those critical therapies right to you. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy. It all happens right there at home, which is exactly where your child is going to feel most comfortable and ready to learn and grow.
Now, you might be looking at different options, and that's understandable, but I want to tell you what makes Focus Family Care different. It's this: we're not just some service you hire. We truly see ourselves as your partners. We call it our family-centered approach, but that's not just some corporate slogan. It's everything to us. It means we work with you. We give you the education and the tools you need to feel empowered. Our whole goal is to make sure you feel like a confident, central part of your child's care team, because you are. You should never feel like a bystander in your own home.
And that partnership, it starts right away, before you've even left the hospital. We're there to make that transition home as smooth and stress-free as possible. We'll meet with you, create a personalized care plan, and then, this is so important, we carefully match you with the right skilled nurse for your family. The support starts from day one.
Just think about the difference for a second. The hospital, it's unfamiliar, it's stressful, and routines are totally out the window. But with Focus Family Care, you trade all that chaos for the comfort of home. You go from feeling like a visitor to being a hands-on, active part of the team. And that creates this wonderful, nurturing space where your whole family can just connect and be stronger together.
And if you're here in South Florida, we want you to know, we're your local experts. We're your neighbors. This is our community too, and we're dedicated to serving families right here.
We're proud to serve families all across the area. In Palm Beach County, Broward, Miami-Dade, Martin County, St. Lucie, Indian River, and Okeechobee County. If you live in any of these places, our team is ready to help.
You know, when it comes down to it, our promise is about more than just the medical tasks. The real reason we do what we do at Focus Family Care is to give your family peace of mind. True, genuine peace of mind.
So, if this is starting to sound like what you've been looking for, you should know that taking the next step is really simple. We've made it as easy as possible.
There's a phrase we live by: being a family-centered agency that incorporates compassion and dedication. And we work hard to earn that every single day, because we know that when you focus on the whole family's well-being, not just the medical charts, that's when real healing happens. So let's talk. Let's have a conversation about your family and what you need. All you have to do is reach out. Give our team a call at 561-693-1311. Or you can hop online to focusfamilycare.com. we can answer your questions or get an assessment scheduled. It's that easy. So I'll just leave you with this thought. Isn't it time your family felt completely 100% supported on this journey? You really, truly don't have to do it alone.